Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So gold made a really nice push up last night because of an announcement that Trump made. Now, I would expect this move up to be a pullback to this move down, like I've been saying. I would think this would be a wave B, and over the next, several, maybe even several weeks, we would get a pullback, maybe going to the 61 or the 78%, and then we would end up going down again, and that would be a wave A down, this would be a wave B up, and then a wave C down. So this is what I would expect. But I also do see the possibility of this being some sort of an expanding. Gold loves to make these triangles, expanding, contracting, running, regular wedges. If it really is some sort of a triangle, it could possibly just keep on going up, making, taking out this previous high. Luckily, we're looking for logs right now anyways, right? So it doesn't really matter either way. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, yesterday I was saying, nice break and hold above structure, and there's a good chance that it is going to go up. Wave one, wave two, this is likely all a wave three. So the wave three potentially might not even be over. I mean, there's a chance it just keeps on pushing up, but at some point it's probably going to make a pullback. The pullback will be a pullback to the wave three, like a wave four. Then we'll probably get another push up for a wave five. And I would expect this to be a wave A of an A, B, C, or B, like I showed on the daily. But if this really is just continuing the uptrend, which it definitely could, then it could be a wave one of a brand new uptrend. You trade a wave one and you trade a wave A exactly the same, which is looking for longs on these sort of time frames. So it's really not that important to me how you count it. What's important is that you're following along with the higher time frame market flow and market structure. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.